Hey, I'm Dr. J. You and I are going to make some Mexican-inspired deviled eggs today. These are so delicious. They're addicting, I promise. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start off with 6 hard-boiled eggs. I'm just going to make a dozen. You can easily double or triple this recipe. I do my eggs in the Instant Pot. I actually will share that recipe with you below. I cut them in half, and I'm just going to kind of poke them like this and just kind of get the yolks inside my food processor, just like that. Okay. They come out nice and easy. Okay, so egg yolks are in. I'm just going to put the top on the processor, and I'm just going to pulse it just to kind of get all those yolks broken up. Perfect. Now we add everything else in. This is such a delicious combination. I have 2 tablespoons of grated Monterey Jack. You could put whatever you like, whatever kind of flavors. That's what I had on hand. Got a little bit of ancho chili powder, and I'll have all the exact measurements below in the description. A little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of sour cream, yum, a little bit of mayo, and a little bit of salsa. So you can use your favorite kind. You can homemade, whatever you want, or just, I just used a nice store-bought that we like. Okay, that's it. On top, I'm just gonna blend this all up. And I just don't want this to get nice and smooth. I'll tell you though, since using the Instant Pot to make my eggs, we do hard-boiled eggs all the time. They're so simple. I will have a video link for you below. It just makes it easy. They're easy to peel, the whole deal. I find anywhere from 5 minutes will give you like a little bit looser, not loose, but a little bit softer. And like more towards 7 minutes will give you more of the hard-boiled egg. That quick. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this into a piping bag and we're going to have our eggs just like that. Okay, so I get this nice and smooth. I'm just going to put this in a piping bag, and I find this is just an easy way to do it. Kind of put the piping bag in a glass, and then I'm just going to put this all in here. And you know what? You don't have to do this. If you don't have something like this, you could just with a spoon. That would be fine too. Or you can even use a little Ziploc bag and put this in a Ziploc bag and just cut off a little corner of it. And you make your own piping bag that way. Okay. I say good to the last drop. This just smells so yummy already. Got the cheese, the salsa. Okay. Okay, so I got it into my piping bag. I'm just going to snip the end off here, just like that. And I'm just going to fill them. That's simple. Just going to make it look nice and pretty. Going around. Now listen, I love deviled eggs. I love traditional deviled eggs. But it's just fun to play with them, right? Add different spices. I've done buffalo. Oh, God, those are so good. I've done horseradish, some avocado ones. I like to go around, make sure they're all filled, and then I can kind of go back and add a little extra on top. So pretty, just like that. I don't know. Almost too good to eat, right? But not so much. There you have it. Mexican style deviled eggs. I'm going to give these a taste in just a minute. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of ancho chili powder on top, just for a little bit of color. Just like that, and a little bit of flavor, right? Just like that. Those are beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna give them a taste. Okay, so Mexican-inspired deviled eggs.
Oh, so that would be Diablo eggs. Diablo.
Diablo sounds like spicy.
Isn't that
I don't know.
Devil?
I don't know.
Diablo? No, it's huevos rellenos.
Okay.
Deviled eggs. But that's not. Oh, they look really good though. Let's move on.
Yeah, so they got salsa in there.
Oh.
They've got a little bit of mayo like normal, right? A little bit of sour cream. Also have some Monterey Jack cheese in there.
Oh.
And a little bit of ancho chili powder. I put a little bit on top.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Right? So we're going to give these a taste.
Yeah.
And going in.
This
I know.
All right.
All right. Cheers. I'm gonna. Mm.
Oh yeah. Wow. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, a little bit of the heat right in the
I
background.
mean, the egg's perfect.
Mhm.
Perfectly cooked. I love that we do those in the Instant Pot. That's so cool.
Oh my gosh, so easy.
But I love this. Just a hint. I thought they were going to be a little spicier, to be honest, but
Mhm.
just a little hint of
Yeah,
some nice heat. That's good.
delicious. Just something
Mhm.
different too, right? So I like to make, same old is fine too. The
Yep.
old style is good, but these are delicious. Hope you give them a try. If you like these recipes, please share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. And don't forget to click that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. All right, love y'all.